Guys, what are we about to do?
Get dressed to go outside and play snow.
And go!
Okay.
It's the most wonderful time of
These are fancy clothes.
with the kids jingle belling and everyone
No, chicks in her body. I've been in bed since I woke up. LOL. We're playing out.
most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meals.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's the happiest season of all.
You guys ruin your snow angels when you get up.
That looks good.
All right, it's on. Like Donkey Kong.
There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Happy Blizzard Twitter!
And hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most